It might be time. Number 2. New hospital. Hopefully we don't change rooms, so maybe this might be the room we're in. I'll keep you updated. She's all hooked up. She's definitely starting to feel. Maybe today's the day. We had a visitor. Still here. She's feeling a whole bunch of contractions. I don't know if it's gonna be today or if they're gonna send us home. But I just went out to the car and grabbed some food. Pretty exciting moment. What up? We are now driving home. They booked us for tomorrow. Yeah. So I'll keep you updated. It's not a 23rd baby, it's gonna be a 24th baby. Morning, it is 1 a.m. on the 24th. We're headed back to the hospital now. Contractions are picking up, so hopefully today's the day. We're back at the hospital. Hooked up to the monitor. Her water just broke. We just asked for the epidural. Almost there. Epidural time. We're gonna get some rest, and then hopefully when we wake up, the baby will be here. She's at 10 centimeters now. Could be any minute now. Your hair looks fine.
They actually sound fairly clear. I know. Oh, I got one. Okay, Kills. She's beautiful.
Hi.
It is 4,440 grams.
Is someone a little tired? Good. Hello. Superhero mommy and her Popeyes after delivery meal. Hi, Everly. 9 pounds, 12 ounces, almost 10-pound baby. Hi. And we're out of here. Later. It's almost 10 p.m. on the 24th. We're home.
Look at this smile. Sister? Mama. Give her a kiss. Oh, thank you. There's baby. Yeah. Want to touch her? Oh, good girl. I love you. She's so little. That's your baby sister. Yeah. Yes. Hi. Say hi, Emily. Yes, sweetie. Give her a kiss.